The first 100k is the hardest to make. I made my first 100k when I was just 20 years old. In this video, I will tell you how I made it, so you can also make it. After the first 100k, you can invest and life will get much easier. To support my community, I also have a giveaway for my channel every week, $200 of Bitcoin. Because you have somewhere to start. Just like, subscribe and comment your thoughts about the video and share with your friends, so your friends can also win $200. And let's dive into the video. So, it was in the beginning of 2020, the pandemic was there. I made $5,000 from my work in a restaurant. I just could have spent this money on party and girls, but I did not. I heard about the Bitcoin halving was upcoming. Boom! The Bitcoin price crashed because of the pandemic response. I thought this is my opportunity to make a lot of money. So I bought 1 Bitcoin and 8 Ethereum for $5,000. I waited and waited and every day more momentum was coming. After 3 months, I already had 20k. I was shocked and very happy at the same time. But I wanted more, so I decided to go all in altcoin. The more risky ones but also higher returns. I bought Cardano, Shillies, Ethereum and Litecoin. It worked perfectly and after around 45 days I already turned my 20k in 100k. This was a magic moment, but the crypto market was on fire. After 14 days I doubled the 100k already to 200k. 3 days later it was 240k. I was filled with joy and cashed out, because I was also very nervous about it. What if a crash would happen? I slept very bad. With crypto it could go very hard up, but also very hard to the downside. You should imagine, so young and already made so much money. I dreamt about buying my own house and rent some rooms. This would be a perfect passive income stream. So now you as a watcher are wondering, how can I make money with crypto? You can already make money with very little money, just a few $1,000s, or just a few hundred. The halving is coming next year. There are new crypto trends that will explode after the halving. When the crash happens, you should buy as much Bitcoin and Ethereum as you can. These are the safer cryptocurrencies. When you see the market is recovering, the market goes slowly but steadily higher and higher. Buy at what that moment is the hype. I'm sure you hear everywhere about AI. AI crypto will explode. There will be more and more hype. Also, Elon Musk is hype about the crypto market. Meme coins such as my favorite Peep coin will also do it very well. AI coins such as Injective Protocol and Render will be very much hype about. When the crypto has exploded and you fill your bags, don't be too greedy. Take some profits. When it completely exploded after 10 or 20 times the return, sell everything. You will feel very bad when the cryptocurrency declined 50%. A good way to know if the crypto market is at its peak is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. High greed means top is in. But when the index is low, it means the bottom is in. At this moment, the index is at 49. That means it is neutral. It is hard to tell the market will go upside or down, but a crash will come anyways. Don't rush into buying. You can better buy low and sell high. My price target for Bitcoin is this cycle 120k and for Ethereum 10k. So this cycle will be a golden opportunity for us all. This will be a 4 time for Bitcoin now and around 6 times for Ethereum. But the real opportunity is in altcoins, like Dogecoin did past cycle more than 100 times. Peep can now have this potential because it has a low market cap and already a lot of followers on the socials. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Also, to win the $200 worth of Bitcoin,